How to hide mobile hotspot on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your mobile hotspot on an Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the settings, simply tap on the connections. Now from here, simply scroll down and tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Now here, once you are on your mobile hotspot and tethering, simply toggle on the mobile hotspot if it is turned off. And after that, tap directly on mobile hotspot to open its settings. Now here you would see your network name and password, which means anyone could connect to it if they know the password. So to hide your hotspot, simply scroll down and tap on Advanced at the bottom. Now from here, simply scroll again until you see the hidden network. This setting will stop your hotspot name from appearing in the nearby Wi-Fi list. So toggle on that hidden network and then tap on save. Now the only way someone can connect is if they manually enter your hotspot name and password. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.